Hello, the alarm from 10620 is active. Today we will discuss about installing Java Development Kit on the Windows environment. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, share, comment, and like. So to download the JDK, let's go for JDK download, and we will get the Oracle website for downloading the package. There we will see choices for different platforms, and here we have got choice for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So our platform is Windows. Let's go for Windows and download the installer. Okay, this one. You can download this one. Click it and you'll get download message. Let's say save, and yeah, after the download is completed, you will go there. I have already downloaded the file, so let's go to the folder downloads, and there you will double click it. Then Windows will ask you for a confirmation on installation. You confirm the installation, and then the setup window will start installing your package. So we can go on working with the default installation. You click next, and there you are asked to choose the installation folder. You can't change it, but the default is fine. So you click next and see the installation. So the installation is done. So let's close this one, and we have to check whether our installation is working. To do that, let's go and search for command prompt and launch it. Okay, so here we will say Java space dash version. Okay, so here we will get information on the our system. So here we get our installation version. If you don't get this one, what you have to do is set up the JDK on environment. To do that, go and search for environment, and you open the environment variable here. Okay, so here we either edit this one or add a new one. So here we got our Java configuration here. So what we have to do is we say edit, and then add the name of our variable, which is Java, and then the value is the file directory where the JDK executable is stored. So we add that one like this one, and we will be clicking. If we add here C and so on and so on, we will get the OK button active. So we will click this OK, and our environment will be set. So since our environment is working, our JDK is ready to be used. So that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.